Okay, happy weekend everyone. I'm here again from IDA Investor Doctor Academy. Today is our new episode of An Apple a Week, which is our futures review. Today I will share about how the market moved in last week, which is from 25th of March to 29th of March, and also how we're going to trade for next week, which is also the new week in April. So we already end the month of March. So next week I also will share about how our future trading performance during the March. Okay, so watch out and stay tuned to our channel. So before I begin, let me promote a bit our new activities, ongoing activities. Okay, the first one is our private group. So in our private group, which we using the Telegram. So in our private group, we will provide live signals and live market updates, and also most importantly, which is private coaching. So in our group, we will coach how we detect a signal, how we think that it will be a buy or sell signal, and how we're gonna exit it. And also, you can share your strategy, and we will help to improve. And anything you can just ask in the group, and we will help. Okay, so we will coach you to help you to trade better. Okay, so we will start with a 2 weeks free trial. So if you interested in this private group, please contact us 011-5353-7589. Okay, and on the other hand, we have a FKLI 1 day course. Okay, FKLI 1 day course, which will be held on 5th of May. We already changed that. Originally it's 4th of May, but we already changed to 5th of May. Please note that. And then from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. in our Shah Alam IDA Center. So what is good about this FKI one day course is this: if you pay for a course, but you can get 50% discount for the course, and also the free 1 month to join this private group. Okay, so by subscribe this course, you can enjoy 50% of discount, and also free 1 month of membership in this private group. Okay, so if you're interested, same contact our phone number. Below this video, we actually provide our free channel link. Okay, our YouTube link, Facebook link, and Telegram link, and all of these 3 channels are free. Okay, so please feel free to join, like, and share our channel to let more people know that we actually got this kind of free futures trading platform to share our ideas and to get the more market updates. Okay, so if you got any question, please comment, PM, or contact by our phone number. So without further ado, we look at first we look at the FKLI market. We start from Malaysia first. Okay, so this is how Malaysia looked like for the last week. FKLI, you can see here is still in process of forming the head and shoulder bearish pattern. So it's already break down, testing the 1630 critical support level. So below this level, I will go for short. Below 1630, I will go for short for the daily chart. Okay, overall in a sideways to lower trend. And then we zoom in to look at the hourly chart. So hourly chart is testing RSI oversold rebound. So above 1656.5 may trigger a short-term technical rebound. So above this level, I will go for buy in short term. Okay, I will go for buy for short-term trading. And then we look at the FCPO. Okay, FCPO also a bearish week. Same with the FKLI is continue to break lower high and lower low. Okay, so it's more to bearish, is a selling pressure week. So below this level 2092, which is previous low, which is also the 38.2 Fibo retracement level. Okay, so below this level I will go for short because I think it's likely to test the 2038 previous low. Okay, so below 2092 I will go for short. And then we zoom in to look at the shorter trend. Okay, the shorter trend showing the same thing. Okay, not much different from daily chart. So the hourly chart also pointed that below 2092 sell signal, and the immediate resistance will be at 2140. Above this 2140, maybe we can aim for short-term buy signal because it's likely to test the previous high 2184 here. Okay, so watch out for this range. And then we move to the foreigns. Okay, foreign, we look at the crude oil first. Okay, crude oil we actually seeing small candles. Okay, but the last day is break higher high. Okay, so it's slightly more to bearish. It's slightly more to bullish. Sorry, slightly more to bullish, and now testing the 50% feeble retracement level. So above 60.73, I will look for buy signal. Okay, and then we zoom in to look into the hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart showing the same thing, is slightly more to bullish. So above 60.73, I will look for the buy signal. Or if the price retrace first, we can see here the crude oil enter sideways and found support around 58. Okay, so if the price come down first around 58, I will look for buy signal. Okay, because it is a short-term support. So below 58, I will look for sell signal. And then for gold. Okay, gold is continue to testing technical correction like we mentioned last week. So we can see here is a bearish week. Okay, the first day up and then the last 4 days ago is start to going down. Okay, but it still is sustained above 61.8 feeble retracement level, which is also a previous low, around 12x 7.5. Okay, so below this level 12x 7.5, which the confirmed level which should be at 12x0 level. Okay, but below 12x 7.5, I will go for short. Okay, I will go for short for the daily chart signal, because it's also informing a head and shoulder bearish pattern. If we look at the hourly chart is actually testing for a technical rebound. So above this high, which is around 1305. Okay, above 1305, I will look for the short-term buy signal. At last, we look at the Dow Jones futures. Okay, Dow Jones technical indicators like RSI and MACD is enter neutral, because we can see here the Bollinger Band become even narrower, and then the range become even tighter. So the Dow Jones may enter sideways trend, okay? Because we can see here is the Bollinger Band is become narrower. Okay, so a breakout may trigger the next direction. So if you are a day trade, you focus on daily chart, you can either trade on breakout above 26238 buy, below 25246 sell, or trade within this range and wait for a breakout. And then we look into the shorter term. Okay, the hourly chart shows us a more to bullish trend. Okay, we can see here from last Monday is creating higher high and higher lows. Okay, so above this high 25694, which okay, the last week high, I will go for buy. I will go for buy and watch out the resistance level. Okay, for short-term trading. If the price retrace first, I will look for the buy signal around 25800. Okay, I will look for buy signal around 25800. Okay, below 25800, we see where better got lower highs and lower lows, the down waves to form sell signal. Okay, so this will be all. Let's do a summary for these 5 futures market. So FKLI and FCPO mostly the same, is in a sideways to lower trend. Okay, the FCPO daily and hourly chart is showing the same direction, so sell below 2092. Okay, and then the immediate resistance will be around 2200 level. Okay, so we see whether got rebound waves on next week. For the FKLI, I will go sell below 1630 and then go for short-term buy above 1660. For the WTI Crude Oil, okay, it's more to bullish, so above 60.73, I will look for the buy signal, whether for long-term and short-term, and also if the price retrace first, I will look for the buy signal around 58 level. For Comex Gold, okay, below 12x 7.5, I will look for sell signal, and then above 1305, I will look for the short-term buy signal. Okay, for the Dow Jones, is either you can trade on breakout or trade within the Bollinger Band range. Okay, for the short term is more to bullish, so I will either buy above 25964 or wait for retracement buy around the level 25800. Okay, so any changes of the trend, we will update guys in our free channel. So please remember, join, like, and share our free channel to let more people know. Okay, and then thanks for your hearing for our sharing today. So this will be the end. If you got any problem, please comment and PM to our phone number. And also, if you're interested the things that I mentioned just now, the private group and also the FKLI one-day course, also do contact us to know more. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you guys. We will see you next week. Thank you. Bye bye.